Good day everyone. I report legal and ethical aspects in engineering management. This means it will cover topics related to the legal, responsibility, and ethical consideration that are essential in engineering management. So, I discuss uh, ang engineering laws and regulations. Kini nga topic nag-focus sa mga balaod o mga regulations nga nag-guide sa practice sa engineering diri sa atong nasod internationally. And then this laws ensure nga ang mga engineers ka responsible, ethical o nagsunod sa standard sa safety o professionalism. Important kaayo ni para malikayan ang mga legal issues like negligence, unsafe design, or even corruption. For example, sa Pilipinas, ang pinaka-common nga balaod nga gina-follow sa mga engineering is the Republic Act number 544 or the Civil Engineering Law. Kini nga balaod nag-set og qualification kung kinsara ang pwede mahimong licensed civil engineering ug unsay scope sa ilang practice. And then another example, in this the Code of Ethics for Engineers, naghatag ni siya og guidance and proper behavior sa mga engineers like being honest, transparent, og dili mo engage og bribery o fraud.
Good day, ma'am. So my part of the report will be engineering laws and regulations. It looks like it's a section heading from a document for books or representation focused on the legal regulatory aspects of engineering. Its main purpose is to ensure public safety and health, protect the environment, promote professional standards, and the key aspects are for licensing and certification, building codes and standards, and third, environmental regulations. The main goal is to hold engineers accountable for their work and ensure the projects are designed, constructed, and maintained safely and responsibly. Thank you, that's all.
So, continue report in my part is ethical decision making and engineering. So, it seems to be a section heading from a document or presentation that addresses how engineers can navigate ethical dilemmas in their profession. So, ethical dilemma. So, unsa man na siya? So, ang kanising ethical dilemma is nagkuhan siya og duha ka situation, which is ethical benefits and ethical problems. So, ang example na ko ani is safety and versus cost. Using cheaper materials that might be less safe. So, klaro man, kung palit kag baratohon, dali ang maguba. Kung palit kag mahal, i-double check po kung maligkon ba siya. Kaya nabay ba nang mahal kayo niya, dililigon, murag siya, biyaan ra ka. So, muna siya. Sample. So, napay koan, how engineers can navigate ethical dilemmas. So, nakoy unom. Yes, unom siya guys. So, una, how know the code of ethics. Code daw. So, most engineering fields have a professional code of ethics. Example, from IEEE and NSPE. So, huwag mo kabalo. So, tagantay mo kan. These codes say things like put public safety first. Or, be honest and impartial. Muna siya ang number 1. So, ang kaduha, analyze the situation. Ask question like, who will be affected by this decision? Unsa may ang short-term o long-term effects? So, gets ra ba? Okay ba? So, katulo, talk to others. So, talk to others like discuss the issue with mentors or ethic committees. Different viewpoints can help you see consequences you might miss. So, unsa man na siya. So makikuan kanila sama na magtapok bitaw mo, then namo i-discuss bitaw nga mga kuan mo og idea, mohatag sila idea, dayon kung i-analyze mo nga okay ba ni siya, nga na dapat kung in short meeting. Sakto? Okay. Kapat, document everything. So gikan sa sirugdanan hangtod sa kinalasan dapat na kay documentation para ipakita sa mong amo nga mao ni mong resulta or unsay nahitabo. No, in short, documentation. Okay. So, kalima or 5. Take action or refuse when needed. So, if asked to do something unsafe or dishonest, you may need to speak up to your boss. So, kita nimo siya nga nagtrabaho siya nga wala siya nag-wear og kuan mga PPE. So, sumbong nimo. Siyempre, di nimo sumbong. Or, mo suggest ka mo hatag ka og mga gamit niya safety para niya, like kung wala siya nag-wear og helmet, pakuhanon siya helmet. Or gloves, kung wala siya nagamit og gloves. So, gets ba? Okay. Kaunom, keep learning. Dali ra kay na ay keep learning. Oy, kung masayop ka din nakasabaan ka, ma-analyze din mo masayop doon, na-learn ka. Sunod, na pug kay makuha niya nga unsa na siya. So, mo nagingon nga stay updated on laws, safety standards and ethical trends in your industry. Kasi yun na kayo keep learning. Ay, sabaan nga dapat makuha apply nimo nga sayop day ko di ay mo nang sunodin nga niya traungo na nako ano ba. So it is crucial for ensuring that projects are carried out responsibly with consideration for public safety, environmental sustainability, and social impact. Here are some key principles that might be covered. So, continue nag-report sa akong next amigo.